Hello? Hyperia is not opening tomorrow. Yeah, I know everybody keeps saying there is no chance. Have I really got to do this again? Ugh. Oh, no, did that yesterday. All this continued effort and Thorpe Park didn't invite me to the press event. Yes, I'm still salty. You're watching Ride Comparisons and we're back at Thorpe Park for a Hyperia update. Now, I didn't really think I'd be saying that for a while, but unfortunately after the day it closed, there's been extended information and we're really not too sure what's going on yet. So I'm here today. Hopefully we can get some answers. Oh my god, guys, I have no idea what's happened. It's a Monday and this actually looks busier than Hyperia's opening day. So this is what we're expecting of Thorpe Park this summer, guys. It can get very busy in school trip season. As we can see, guys, we've still got the extended queue line. I really can't believe how busy it is. It's about 11 o'clock on a Monday. So the first rumour I want to talk about is Hyperia opening tomorrow? Tomorrow is the 11th of June, and I've seen a lot of rumours saying that it is going to open. Now, that's mainly because if you go onto the website for the Shark Hotels, it doesn't say anything about fast tracks, but on the 11th, it does say something about the Hyperia fast track. Now, I really can't see it, guys. There's a lot of preparation that goes into these things. Thorpe Park would give people a little bit more notice than that because they know how excited everyone is waiting. But I'm pretty sure, guys, if it does open tomorrow, then, you know, I'm wrong, but I can't see it happen. I feel like I've gone back about a month and a half, everybody going, it's Hyperia testing, did it test today? It's testing, guys, and it's doing it on a continuous cycle. We'll get to that in just a moment. As you can see, guys, they haven't got the Hyperia photo point anymore or the balloons. It's gated off, but I'm just going to see if I can walk down there. There seems to be loads of little holes in the fence. Okay, guys, so I'm probably not supposed to be down here. They've still got the cattle pen set up, and as you can see, they've got the gate across down there by Saw, so we can't get this way, unfortunately. I'm shocked at how many people are still down here looking at it. It's crazy. I feel like I've gone back in time. We are literally waiting for a reopening day, guys, and I really hope Thorpe Park do it properly and bring back the opening day fire and the event and all the people. Let's see if the stage is still there. The stage is still there, guys, so that's a good sign. As you can see, we can actually go into the plaza. Oh, the 24th of May, guys, Hyperia's opening day. If you didn't make it, I feel so bad for you. This coaster is amazing, and that day was probably one of the best I've ever had at a theme park. Oh, guys, I'm sitting here listening to the music, just filled with nostalgia from that day. It was amazing. So we got both trains running a continuous cycle. When Thorpe Park, before Hyperia actually opens, they didn't do this much testing, so we'll get to it, guys. What has actually happened? So the big question, guys, what is actually wrong with Hyperia? We don't know, and it's been in countless Facebook groups, countless messages. People have recorded they had a crane with a lift that was actually lifting the engineers up to the top. People have seen parts arrive. There's been so many different rumours, guys. I heard that they didn't have the sensor, same as the Smiler, so it didn't. What happened with the Smiler was there was a sensor that didn't tell the other carriage that there was one still on the track and it crashed, so people were saying it was that. There's been a lot of rumours, people saying that it's structural. Now, the way they're testing it at the moment, guys, what it looks like to me, it looks like that they rushed the opening day. They didn't continuously test two trains enough like they are at the moment. So it looks like what they've done at the moment is they fixed it, but they're going to continuously test these two carriages to just double check that what broke last time doesn't break again. And that makes me think that it is structural. I don't think the chain would have taken so long to fix. There was a rumour that there was a crack in the supports at the top, but nobody knows, guys. And as Thorpe Park have put on numerous comments on Facebook groups, they don't have to disclose what's actually happened to the ride, unfortunately. So We might find out, we may never know. The fact that they don't want to tell us makes me think that it's something really bad.
That is brilliant.
I even like this, guys.
Wings on the bag.
Love it.
Closed today, testing only. I still can't believe the excitement in the area, guys. It's absolutely crazy. I also just asked in the merch shop there, guys, because when I came on opening day, we got a t-shirt and the sizes are a little bit bigger than what they say. So I got a large, which was an extra large. Jacob got an extra large and it's absolutely massive. It looks like a tent on him. So I just spoke to them about that. They said if you can prove that, if you haven't got a receipt, I think we've got one, but if you haven't, you can just prove it by like credit card statement, show that you've actually purchased it there, bring in the t-shirt, and they can swap it for another size or maybe even another t-shirt. It is such a tease having it over there, guys, not open. I wouldn't come to Thorpe Park till it's open, guys. It's so disappointing just seeing it there tested and not being able to go on it because, as I say, it was such an awesome day. Anyway, let's see if we can find a little bit more information about it, maybe go to guest services or ask a few of the staff members in the park. So I've asked a few members of staff, guys. I think Thorpe Park have rules on social media, so everyone sort of turned me down of being in a video and answering a question. So I'm going to go straight to guest services and record the interaction. You alright? I just wondered if the rumours are true. Is Hyperia opening tomorrow?
I don't know, unfortunately.
No idea, no?
Unfortunately, if it was going to be opening tomorrow, it would be put on social media.
So there'll be sort of an announcement before it opens.
Yeah, I think so.
No worries, cheers, thank you.
As you can hear there, guys, I didn't get much out of guest services. He saw my phone and kind of freaked out a little bit, so they've probably been told to keep it under wraps. I really did not think that it would be opening tomorrow. I didn't think there was any truth behind this rumour, but after coming to Thorpe Park today, what I've heard and what I've observed in body language, it might actually open tomorrow. Don't take this video as that, guys. Wait for a Jack Silkstone update. Wait for a Facebook post from Thorpe Park, and then we'll be able to confirm it. Do not come down tomorrow just because of this video, because I have absolutely no idea if it's going to open or not. I don't even know if I'm going to come down myself. But that is it, unfortunately, guys. We don't know when it's going to open. We don't know why it's broken. I'd stay away from the rumours if I was you and just wait for the park. And that's all I've got for you today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, hitting that subscribe button really does help me continue to do this, and I'll see you next time.
If you enjoyed the video, guys, hitting that subscribe button really does help us out. And don't worry, it's not the end. There's more videos here.